the fruits of their pollination are bringing everyone to the banquet. A troop of howler monkeys is uncharacteristically quiet.
This is a test of the West Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. This concludes this statewide required monthly test.
In the Americas, but the mainstay of their diet is leaves. Thanks to resident hummingbirds, ripe fruit provides a welcome treat.